And now for the news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has said the new India today is fast emerging as a leader in sustainable solutions. He said from International Solar Alliance to the Life Movement, India is leading the charge. Addressing the National Conference of Environment Ministers of all states through video conferencing, Modi said New India is progressing with a new approach and new thinking. He said today India is also rapidly developing economy and is continuously strengthening the ecology. The Prime Minister said India's forest cover has increased and wetlands are also expanding rapidly. He said over the past years, Gir lions, tigers, elephants, one-horned rhinos and leopards have increased in numbers. Prime Minister Modi also urged states to work together to achieve India's target of net zero emission by 2070.
सोलर अलायंस हो, कोalition फॉर डिजास्टर रेजिलिएंट इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर हो या फिर लाइफ मूवमेंट, बड़ी चुनौतियों से निपटने के लिए भारत आज दुनिया को नेतृत्व दे रहा है। अपने कमिटमेंट को पूरा करने के हमारे ट्रैक रिकॉर्ड के कारण ही दुनिया आज भारत के साथ जुड़ भी रही है।